Hi students, in this video we are going to discuss about the ratio of areas of similar triangles, that is areas of similar triangles. Now for similar triangles, how the areas will be, what is the relation between ratio of areas and ratio of sides. Now see that. So first, so we have to prove this statement. The statement here is statement. Statement is the ratio of areas of any two similar triangles is equals to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So see, let us see the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. The ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So this statement we have to prove now. How the statement will be. So what is the given here? So given clearly mentioned. So given is two triangles are similar. Two triangles are similar. Then how the ratios will be? That is we have ratios. So what is the given? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR, or simply we can say triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So when you know the two triangles are similar, what are the basic properties of these similar triangles? Basic properties we have to see. What is the basic properties? Corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. This is the first foremost basic concept. So angle A is equals to angle P, comma, angle B is equals to angle Q, comma, angle C is equals to angle R. Whenever the two triangles are similar, we have to remember that the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are proportional. Then corresponding sides what? AB by PQ is equals to BC by QR is equals to AC by PR. So these two, or this one, we have to consider as first equation. That means, so triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQ in the sense we are having these two conditions. Okay, no need to write exactly, but so we have to remember that what is our requirements. That's the reason why I am going to write these two statements as our first equations, right? Now, so now I am going to draw the diagram for representation of ABC and PQR triangles. Let me draw first ABC triangle. This is ABC triangle, and similar triangle. This is PQR triangle. A, B, C, P, Q, R. Two triangles are similar. When two triangles are similar, now what we have to prove? Required to prove the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides, AB by PQ whole square, or that is equals to BC by QR whole square, or that is equals to AC by PR whole square. This statement we have to prove. So to prove this statement, we need some construction. What is the construction now? Construction. construction is. So if you want to prove the areas, we need some base and height, because area of triangle is half into base into height. Then we are going to consider the altitude. Should draw an altitude. Draw an altitude AM. And another altitude we have to draw. This is PN. PN. AM and PN we have to consider. Now draw. AM is perpendicular to BC, comma, PN is perpendicular to QR. So why we are drawing the perpendiculars? Because we need altitude to verify the areas ratio. Right. Now proof. So before going to consider the areas ratio, so what is the relation between sides and these altitudes we have to know first. So sides and altitudes. So first we are going to consider triangle ABM and triangle PQN. So consider triangle ABM and triangle PQN. When you consider these two triangles, here angle B is equals to angle Q directly from the first equation. And also angle M here is and angle N here will becomes 90 degrees, because from the construction both are perpendiculars. Now in two triangles, if two angles will be equal, that means in one triangle first two angles will be equal and another triangle also angles will be equal. From angle similarity criterion. So criterion, triangle ABM is similar to triangle PQN. When ABM is similar to triangle PQN, then AB ratio, therefore AB by PQ is equals to their sides AM by PN. So make it as equation number 2. AB by PQ is equals to AM. Now we got the sides ratio and altitudes ratio also equal. Now we have to find area. So what is consider the ratio of areas. Consider area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR. When area of triangle ABC is by area of triangle PQR, what is the ABC area of triangle? Half into, what is the base in ABC? BC, that is BC into, what is the height? AM is height by, so we can take half into, what about this this base? This is QR into, what is this one? PN. So half get removed. So now it becomes area of triangle ABC by, so area of triangle PQR is equals to BC by QR into AM by PN. So from this concept, what about BC by QR? Then BC by QR can be written as AB by PQ. In the first equation, BC by QR is equals to AB by PQ. This can be written as AB by PQ. I can write. Now AM by PN. From the second equation, AM by PN also AB by PQ. This is also AB by PQ. Since 1 and 2 equations. Now it becomes AB by PQ whole square. When AB by PQ whole square, now we proved that one. So area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to AB by PQ whole square. Similarly, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle PQR is equals to AB by PQ whole square, that is equals to BC by QR whole square, that is equals to AC by PR whole square. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. So this is the statement of the ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equals to ratio of areas of their corresponding sides. So this is the proof of the statement. Students, it is also very important. What is the relation between areas ratio and sides ratio of similar triangles? Okay, students, if you have any doubts, you can ask me now.